Hey, I'm Dima from Integrations channel, and today I would like to discuss and try in action a new design pattern named Builder. So according to Gemini, Builder pattern is a creational design pattern that separates the construction of complex objects from its representation. It allows you to create different representation of the same object using the same construction process. Why should we use it? First, for complex objects, when creating objects with many optional parts or configuration. Second, consistent construction process, ensure a standardized way to build objects. And last one, flexibility. Different builders can produce different object representations. And structure, we will go and do it in practice. So let's switch to coding. This will be the plan. First, we would like to have a building a house. Then we will create a builder interface. Then we will have a concrete builder and the director and the client. And so the communication will be something like that. So we will have a builder who knows how to build the house. The house will be like first an abstract class that will specify what can be built in the house, and then an exact concrete house that we will be building for our client. The director know how to interact with the builder, but doesn't know the implementation details on how we will be building the house. And the client just wants to see that the house is built and works as expected. So let's go on. Starting with building a house. So class house, it will have a constructor. And this constructor will say that these, let's say, rooms by default it will be equal to 3. These, let's say, floors will be equal to 1. This with pool by default it will be true, and it will have like a toString method that will show us the result. Return the house is built with this amount of rooms, with rooms, this amount of floors, and conditionally we would like to add if it has a pool. So if it has and a pool, otherwise nothing. Yeah, and something like this. Then we need to write a builder interface. So class builder, I have a typo, builder, build rooms. So we have method build rooms, we have another method that will build floors, then another one build pool, and yeah, and get house. Yeah, so we have defined an abstract builder like in class, and let's now create an exact concrete builder. So let's say class concrete builder extends builder Okay, so now it should implement all those methods. So in this case it will be this build rooms, this house rooms, let's say it will have like 4 rooms. Okay, and here this house floors will have 2 floors, and build a pool. This with pool will remain true, and get house should return this house. Also, what is this house? We should specify in the constructor constructor. So this house should be new house. So we initialize the house, and then we can build it with our concrete builder. Now let's go to the director. It's another class, director. Okay, so constructor, and also here we want to do super. Okay, so constructor in director has a director knows how to communicate with the builder and ask him to build the house. So it should have a build the house method. Let's say, so we specify this builder, the builders that we will pass to the director. Builder. Okay, and from the builder we can specify all the methods, like this builder build rooms, this builder build floors, this builder build pool. Okay, so yeah, now everything will be ready. And finally, coming to the usage for our client, we need to build the house. So let's move on. Next, builder, new concrete builder. So this will create an object for the concrete builder, and then we want to have a director instance, new director, and we pass the builder to it like this, and then the director manages the building process. So director, and we call the ask him to manage and build the house, so it will build the house. And yeah, and now we can have a house, const house is equal to builder, and get the house. And to make sure it works, we can try now console log our house and the method that we have to string. Console log house to string, and let's clear console and check if it works. Yeah, the house is built with 4 rooms and 2 floors and a pool. Okay, let's change floors to see if it's really reacting, and add 1 more room, Yeah, and see, yeah, the house is built as expected. So you can see that it's quite complex but interesting pattern. So I recommend you to try play with it. And see you in the next one. Add any comment and hit the like button, and see you soon.